I am always looking for cool things to use in my paper crafting, in my paper crafts, whether it's in a junk journal or when I'm making cards. So I saw these frames and the company was kind enough to send me these for free to try out and to share with my reader or my viewers. So there's 4 different ones in a set, 4 different bags. This one is called Roman Holiday, and I think that this one's my favorite. I like these colors. I like these shades. So there's 2 of those. There's 2. This one is like a rose frame. And then there's a heart-shaped frame. And there are 10 in each bag, 2 of each style. And that one's round. And then there's another heart. So that's Roman Holiday. And then this one is the Medieval Manor. That one is really cool. These would be great for heritage scrapbook pages, or if you had like a shabby chic theme page or card that you wanted to use these on, you could stamp something in the center and then put it behind the frames or in an oval or circle. But these are really nice. So that one is the Medieval Manor. This one is European mirror frame. So you could put pictures behind these. This would be really good in a heritage book or family album. So those are, this one was the European mirror frame. And then this one is French photo frame. And I like these too. I like that these are rectangle. Oops, turn this right side. I guess really it could go either way though. And that one. But the shades of these are really nice neutral colors. And you can just use regular scrapbook adhesive on the back of these to stick them down.